for the next 6 months. This mother will never eat, never leave, and never stop protecting her babies. Deep beneath the Pacific Ocean, hidden inside a forgotten volcanic cave, a mother octopus searches for the only place where her babies might survive. Here, in complete silence, she begins laying eggs, because each fragile life depends entirely on its mother's protection. Her work had only just begun. Every moment, she gently fanned fresh oxygen over the eggs, protecting them with endless patience. Even the smallest predators could destroy her entire family. Without leaving the nest for even a moment, the devoted mother warned every intruder to stay away. Days turned into weeks, and weeks turned into months. The 10, so that every tiny heartbeat above her could
Month after month, she never abandoned her babies. Though her body grew weaker each day, new life was growing stronger inside every tiny egg. Then the ocean turned violent. Powerful currents swept through the cave, threatening to tear the fragile eggs away, though she was already exhausted strength to shield her unborn babies from the storm.
After months of endless sacrifice, the miracle finally began, each carrying the gift their mother had protected with her own life. Her mission was complete, each beginning a life she had months of unwavering devotion. The mother stayed behind, quietly watching them leave. For months, she had given everything she had. She never hunted, never abandoned her nest. The devoted mother had nothing left to give. Her journey had come to an end. She would never see the ocean again. Nature never forgets its greatest mothers. Hidden beneath the Pacific, one sacrifice gave thousands a future.